Hi guys, it's Legionera from Legionera.com. Welcome back to my channel, and I also want to take some time to thank my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing and watching my videos and commenting and hitting the like button. I really enjoy seeing your comments, and also like that you're here to share this space with me. So welcome. Today I wanted to do my May Makes video to show you everything that I made for the month of May. In my May sewing plans, I showed you every pattern that I wanted to make, and I think I pretty much stuck to it for this month. I got a late start, but I did get everything done. So let's first talk about something that didn't go so well. So McCalls 6751, I made view D, but I didn't like the fabric that I made it out of. So the fabric, it kind of made the shirt really droopy, and I didn't like when I went around to hem the top part of it. So that was kind of a bust for me. But I have made this top in several other different fabrics and colors, so I'll pop pictures up if I can find them. If not, I'll just show you the picture of what I made this month, and just so you can see what I'm talking about, how it doesn't really hang well. And I'm thinking maybe if I put some interfacing around the collar, maybe it would have hemmed better, but I just won't use that fabric again. In the past, I made it in Ponte Knit, and that was a much better fit for me. Overall, the pattern is very easy to sew. It's just that I used the wrong fabric. So I do recommend that pattern if you're looking for a really nice, comfy summer top. So next, I made McCalls 6963, and I made view B. I absolutely love this pattern. I love that it has the drop neckline. I don't know if that's what it's called, but I love the neckline on this pattern. And I do plan to make several different ones in different colors for this top, just because I like the way it hangs on me and I like the fit. I'll also probably be making some for when the weather gets cooler later in the year, because I just love the top so much. I did a pattern review on my blog, so I'll link my blog in the description box below. This is also a very easy pattern to make. It only has 4 pattern pieces. You have the front, the back, the sleeves, and then you have the back facing. Right? Very easy to sew, and if you like this style of shirt, you should definitely give this pattern a try. I also made McCalls 7353, and I made view A. I love this pattern because it has the high waist or the empire waist for the shirt. There's dress options on here, so when it gets cooler, I'll probably do view C, because I love having like a cow neck collar. So I'll probably do view C when it gets a little bit cooler outside. But I did like view A very much. It's a very comfortable shirt, and you can also wear it if you make it long enough. You can wear it. You can wear it with leggings, you can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with a skirt. So I really did like this pattern as well. And this pattern was very easy as well. I think everything I sewed this month was pretty easy and pretty straightforward. I also made McCalls 7364, and I made view D. Only thing I needed help with, I've never sewn a buttonhole, so I enlisted my mother to help me with this. So she sewed on my buttonhole, my button and everything. So I still haven't sewn a buttonhole or a button, but that is on my list. Before the end of this year, I'm going to do a dress, a blouse, something with a buttonhole. But back to this pattern. I really, really, really like these pants. I think I've worn them about 3 times already this month. The fabric is very comfortable. It's a scuba knit. from Fine Fabrics. You all have seen this fabric before. I make a ton of stuff out of this fabric, and I really want to go get some more, but I probably shouldn't. But anyway, really love it. It's really comfortable. Only thing I didn't do also, only other thing I didn't do was the drawstring. I really need to add the drawstring on, but I just threw some elastic in it because I wanted to wear the pants and I needed to photograph them for my blog. So I put a small piece of elastic. So I put elastic instead of the drawstring, but I do plan on adding a drawstring to them later. Overall, great pattern. All of the patterns except for the McCalls 6751, I did a pattern review on all of the patterns on my blog. So again, I'll link my blog in the description box below. And last but not least, I did a maxi skirt. I drafted the maxi skirt using the Mimi G Maxi Skirt tutorial. And she did a sequence maxi, but I'll link that video in the description box below. Very easy to follow. You draw out your pattern piece. She shows you step by step how to take your measurements, how to draw out your pattern piece, how to cut out and sew the pattern. But if you follow Mimi G, you know that's what she does. She's great at that. So I decided that I wanted to make a maxi skirt, and I wanted to make sure I had a pattern for it, that I didn't have to look through my pattern stash to find one. I could go ahead and draw one out myself, and it's made to my measurements. So that was a plus and a win-win for me, and it's super easy to follow. You have the two seams down the side, you have the elastic waistband, and you have the hem on the bottom. It could be an hour project, maybe two if you're doing start to finish. Drafting the pattern, then cutting, then sewing probably end up being a 2-hour process. But if you already have the pattern drafted, 1 hour tops for that skirt. I matched the skirt with the Truth t-shirt, and Truth stands for The Reason You Try Harder. Is by Suggs Inc. Roger Suggs is from my hometown, and I wanted to support him because he's doing very positive things with the youth, and I decided to support him and buy a t-shirt from him. And I actually love the t-shirt. They're really awesome. He has t-shirts, he has drawstring bags, he has sweatshirts, a number of other things on his website. So please check out his website at www.truththereason.com, and I'll link that in the description box as well. So that's everything I made for the month of May. If you've ever made these patterns, leave me a comment. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you made. If you have a blog, link to your blog so I can check you out. And just let me know your overall thoughts of the patterns. I did a pattern review, and they all say the same thing pretty much. Easy pattern. Would I recommend it? Yes. All right. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button, and I will see you in my next one.